G'day gang, how you going? Sky Pilot here. I'm taking to the sky again today with my Emax. Last time I flew this, I had a small incident. Might have occurred, I'm not too sure, is the battery may have fallen out, causing it to go crazy. Because when I found it, crashed up on the hill about an hour later. Yeah, the battery was hanging out. Strap was broken. Apart from that, super durable, super tough. I've flown this quite a few times now, and I love it. So I've made some repairs. I've put the antenna back where it should be. Hopefully it's not going to get in the way of anything, and let's just have a zip around, and hopefully it won't go AWOL like it went last time. Thanks for dropping by. Let's get cracking. Sky Pilot. Sunny day. And today your FPV footage is courtesy of the Skyzone 02Xs, which are incidentally a pretty decent bit of kit. Okay guys, the R Pro, she's now bound and everything's looking pretty good at the moment. Let's switch to some FPV. And let's see how she performs. Landing. Okay. Successful mission. I'd say that was a success, gang. Little bit of breakage over there, which normally happens around here. There's a few poles and antennas and bits and bobs around the place. But yeah, we had no loss of control and everything was pretty smooth. Pretty happy. Not too sure about the 4S here. Normally it lasts a bit longer than that, so I'll go see what condition that's in. Awesome. Short, sharp and shiny, gang. Thumbs up, drop me a comment. If you want to know where to get this from or any of my gear from, yeah, check out the links below, of course. Great to see you. Next time in the sky. Sky Pilot. Catch you later.